You can see that this document contains bullet points on machine code, and these would have been notes that were being used to present a PowerPoint presentation to students. And what I would like to do is to convert these to written text to form appropriate notes to be given out to students. To achieve this, I'll click onto this icon and you can see that this appears. And into here, I'm going to type in an appropriate prompt. And you can see that the prompt says, convert these bullet points into a clear, flowing paragraph while preserving key details. It'll then be a case of clicking on to generate and waiting to see what Copilot and its use of AI will produce. And you can see it has produced this here. I'm now going to click on to keep it. I will now read the text that's been produced. Machine code is the lowest level programming language executed directly by a CPU, consisting of binary instructions made up of ones and zeros that are specific to the CPU's architecture. These instructions facilitate operations such as loading data into registers, performing arithmetic calculations, and branching to different parts of the program. Unlike higher-level programming languages, machine code is not portable between different CPU architectures, such as Intel and ARM, due to its design. Its complexity makes it extremely difficult for humans to read and understand, prompting the use of higher-level languages whose code can be translated into machine code by compilers. Despite its challenges, machine code remains valuable as a tool for debugging and optimization, allowing developers to view the precise instructions executed by the CPU. I'm pleased with the text that's been produced and I would quite happily use this. And it is clear the information has been taken from the bullet points, but it's clearly also gathered information from other sources. It is clear to me that AI is improving my productivity. I no longer need to write the notes out myself. I ask for Copilot assistance and it produces the appropriate text. Of course, it's a case of reading that text and editing it to your taste.